Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Are we laboring in vain? The question that scores of community midwives are asking themselves after their December pay stub showed that their vehicle upkeep was recovered from their retroactive salary payment. Jamaica Maitland spoke with the healthcare workers and has this report.
Community midwives across the island have been left dumbfounded after receiving their salary earlier this week. Not only was their pay late, but a lump sum of money was withdrawn from the retroactive amount, sending them into a frenzy.
We are the ones that bring life into this world. Well, different from God, of course. We are the ones, we are the hands that catch those babies, take them out, make sure that they don't have no brain injuries, make sure that they latch on to breast milk as soon as they're born, make sure that bonding takes place, encourage women, see mothers through postpartum depression. All right, now they want to put me in a postpartum depression.
Take this pay stub, for example. The midwife would have received $976,786 in retroactive pay. However, more than $600,000 was withdrawn from it. It represents arrears for upkeep for personal vehicle as part of their benefits. They received almost $75,000 monthly between April and November.
Frankly, I've been saying that this must be a mistake. All along, I've been saying this must be a mistake. But the thing about it, how do you make the mistake such a mistake?
But back in November, the finance minister said the government will not be recovering allowances already paid under the new compensation system.
We had gotten a document stating that, or I should have sent that one, stating that as of April 1st, there are some benefits that will no longer be payable. So we wouldn't be getting that allowance anymore, which is the upkeep. However, nothing about that being recovered, which they have gone back on their word, and we're seeing where it has been deducted.
It's why the midwives are devastated.
This is how the government treats the people who put their necks out there on a guillotine for this Jamaica land we love.
The community midwives who are from different parishes say they have nothing to celebrate this holiday. It would have been the first Christmas in 2 years for the critical healthcare workers who, in addition to caring for pregnant mothers, delivering babies at home, among other duties, were also administering COVID-19 vaccines. But now, they argue that they're considering throwing in the towel at Jamaica's healthcare system.
We are important and they treat you like nobody. You see, somebody said just now, these are the things that push us to go. It's coming like you're in an abusive relationship and this one man just keep beating you down. Better you move and let somebody else beat you down.
TVJ News understands that a meeting has been scheduled with Jamaica Midwives Association and senior members from the Health Ministry next week. Calls to Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke's phone went unanswered. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.